Welcome to my channel. Today's question is k over 3 plus k over 15 plus k over 35 plus k over 63 plus k over 99 plus k over 143, that is equal to 18. We need to find k value here. We will solve this question step by step. Observe here in the all the numerators have k value. So here k. So let's take k as common. Then you are left with 1 over 3 plus 1 over 15 plus 1 over 35 plus 1 over 63 plus 1 over 99 plus 1 over 143, that is equal to 18. Here we have 1 over 3 and here we have 15 in the denominator. Let's observe the denominators. 1 over 3 we can write this as 1 times 3, and here 15 we can write this as 3 times 5. This 35 we can write this as 5 times 7. This 63 we can write it as 7 times 9. This we can write it as 9 times 11 plus this 7 we can write it as 11 times 13, that is equal to 18. Now observe the pattern in the denominators. We have 1 times 3. That means we are a value. If suppose if we take a value is 1, b value is 3, the difference is 2, and here also 3 and 5 the difference is 2, and here also the difference is 2, and here also difference. Here we are going to use a very powerful formula which is very helpful to our pattern. To solve this pattern we have to learn this, that is 1 over ab equal to 1 over b minus a times 1 over a minus 1 over b. If you observe the first pattern, we have 1 over 1 times 3. If you take a as 1, b as 3, is it satisfy our pattern or not? Let's check. So 1 over ab is 1 times 3 is 3, that is equal to 1 over our b value is 3, a value is 1, which is 2 over 1 over a value is 1 minus b value is 3, 1 over 2 times. If you take LCM here, the numerator will get 3 minus 1, which is 3 minus 1, which is 2 only. So these 2 and these 2 gets cancelled. So you are left with only 1 over 3. It is same as our pattern. So that's why we can use this powerful formula here. According to this formula, we can write k times 1 over 3 minus 1 times 1 over 1 minus 1 over 3 plus this 1 over 3 times 5, also we can write this as 1 over 5 minus 3 times 1 over 3 minus 1 over 5, and so on. Write all the terms. The last term is 1 over 13 minus 11 times 1 over 11 minus 1 over 13, that is equal to 18. Here 3 minus 1, the value is 2, and here also the value is 2, and here also the value is 2. So in the denominators, front side all we have 2, 2 and so on 2. So that's why 2 take it as common. K over 2 open brackets, and you are left with only these terms over 1 minus 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3 minus 1 over 5, then plus 1 over 5 minus 1 over 7, and plus 1 over 7 minus 1 over 9 plus 1 over 9 minus 1 over 11. The last term 1 over 11 minus 1 over 13, that is equal to 18. Now see here, minus 1 over 3 and plus 1 over 3, minus 1 over 3 and plus 1 over 3, minus 1 over 7 plus 1 over 7, minus 1 over 9 plus 1 over 9, minus 1 over 11 plus 1 over 11. All gets cancelled. Then you are left with k over 2. 1 over 1 is nothing but 1 minus 1 over 13, that is equal to 18. K over 2, after taking the LCM, then you will get 13 minus 1, which gives 12, that is equal to 18. So here gets cancelled, gets 6k over 13 equal to 18. K equal to 18 times 13 over 6. So 6 times 3 is 18, that is times 13, the value is 39. So the k value is 39 here. I hope you like this content. If you like this content, please subscribe to my channel and leave your valuable comments in the comment section. Thank you for watching.